Let A, B, C be three events. If probability of A happening is 1 by 3, probability of B happening is 1 by 4, probability of C happening is 1 by 5, we can compute probability of C happening given B happens if we know probability of C and B happening divided by probability of B. In this problem, we are given probability of C intersection B to be 1 by 6. So, we have probability of C given that B happened is 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 4, that is 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. Now, what is the probability of A dash intersection C dash? For this, we can take probability of A dash or probability of A complement into probability of C complement. We can find this value by subtracting probability of A from 1 into 1 minus probability of C. Now we know this is 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 by 5. This is 2 by 3 into 4 by 5, that is 8 by 15.